All right. Excuse me. Always save the best for last, and I am the most tired and I'm out of light, so bear with me. 303-666-9020, and that's 303-666-9020. My name is Jeremy. It's jeepsunlimited.net, otherwise known as Jeeps Unlimited, and I'm doing a tub video for a YJ. That is beautiful. No rod on it whatsoever. This is just showing you the bottom of the tub, which along with floorboards on a YJ is probably the most important for time you're going to have into something like this, doing a project. This helps you a lot. So I'm not one of those listers, not tooting my horn or anything, but let me change the lighting there again. I don't hide anything on these things. There's no point in you getting a tub that you're not going to like or know exactly what you're dealing with. So you'll see what you see here is exactly what you'll get, is what I'm trying to say. So one thing to note before I lower this guy down is this was one of the few that I sandblasted almost entirely. I say almost entirely is because my compressor, this is a few weeks ago or months ago, went down in the middle of it, and I was planning to get a new compressor, but they're not cheap. So it's got a little bit of flash rush, as you'll see here in a second. That's not a big deal. It'll come right off, I promise. Let me focus this again. There we go. Okay, so there's a little bit there for you. But it's smooth. I mean, there's no cancer in this thing whatsoever. And my plan was to finish it, and then we usually put a coating over them. It helps them so they don't do this. The sand you see inside is obviously from the media that we used. It had a liner in it. I tried to get it off the best I could, and then of course my compressor went down. So hey, so this is you can kind of see it kind of just goes off. Matter of fact, the majority of this stuff was the media that was kind of oxidizing more than anything. So, but nonetheless, I do want you to be aware of it, even though it's not an issue. This is a very, 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 very nice YJ tub because of the work we did to this thing. And we usually don't do that kind of work to them. As you can see, we usually sell them as is, but nonetheless, as far as the liner goes, you have a couple options. You have somebody finish spraying it, get it out of there. There's a couple removers that will get it out as well, or you can just clean it up. I think they use some sort of alcohol base and then respray it if you're going to do a liner anyway. That might be what I do, so you don't have to deal with the headache of it. Otherwise, this tub is beautiful, and I'm not kidding when I say this. I've been doing this for 8 years. I used to have a lot of YJ tubs, a lot of TJ tubs, well, a lot of frames and stuff like that. I have a few frames over there. Most of those are on YJs. YJ frames aren't super difficult to get right now, like the TJ frames are, but vice versa. A TJ tub is really easy to get, and a YJ tub is nearly impossible to get right now, especially one in this kind of shape. So don't pass up on these. I cannot emphasize enough. I used to sell, to give you an example, a TJ frame, 9702 6-cylinder TJ frame, okay? I used to get about $1,000 for them. I can't get them right now. We're selling them for $3,500 a piece, and we have a 6-month back order with $500 deposits on people who are waiting in line. I mean, that's how difficult they've been. Now, in retrospect, for a YJ, I don't mean to talk your ear off, but I'm just telling you this. If you're looking at doing a project, either soon or later, this is the tub for you. This guy, a little pushed in, moving around the yard, but you can get access to it all the way back. These guys here are almost exactly the same thing. I used to get almost like $1,000, $1,500 out of them. Now I get $300 to $3,500 out of a tub like this, plus shipping. They don't last. They sell very quickly, and we're not getting them in as often as we used to. So just keep that in mind. Again, it's not a sales pitch. I'm being straight up. I don't need to sell in this yard. That's what's kind of fun about what I get to do with Jeep parts, is they kind of sell themselves because a lot of these parts aren't being made anymore. And this is a factory OEM tub. This is not an aftermarket tub. This is not a fiberglass tub. It is a steel tub. For being sandblasted and not coated, it really hasn't flash rust like you think it would. Now, to give you an idea, I'm going to wrap this video up, not make it too long, but I just want to show you everything so you can see it here in person. This guy, which is a TJ tub, was the other one we sandblasted right for this one. I was able to finish it, and that's we put a primer coating on it. That's what it looked like after we were done with it. So they come out really nice looking. All these other ones here are either sold, that guy, or our TJ tubs. I mean, I have, let's see, I have three TJ tubs left. This one, that blue one, and that black one there. And those two are in good shape, but not nearly as clean as this guy is. So that's what I got right now. I'm trying to get more of them, but they're just getting hard to get. So again, my name is Jeremy, Jeeps Unlimited, 303-666-90. I just screwed that up. 303-666-9020. That's right. And then jeepsunlimited.net. And I appreciate you taking the time and watching it. Have a great night.